Lineo Pro Puzzle 75 or 90 millimeters now has 2 slots, so allowing it to have a greater airflow than before. Plenum box has a possibility to be connected either from the side or from the top. What makes our products especially convenient is the possibility to have 75 or 90 millimeter connections. All these screw holes are already prepared, so installers do not need to produce any additional screw holes, thus saving you time and money. The foam is protecting the slots from any unnecessary dust that may occur or get in the installation process. Adjusting the airflow of the diffuser is especially easy because our diffusers have dampers inside of them. The adjusting itself is being done by 2 hexagon screws on one side and another side. The measuring key is always included in the packaging, allowing you to simply adjust the airflow of the diffuser. Our Lineo Pro Diffuser series has a possibility to be connected together into one beautiful line, allowing you to connect not only ventilation diffusers but air conditioning diffusers as well. The design of the plenum box allows the diffusers to be installed either on the ceilings or the walls. Now, I would like to present you with the news that we have for single and double slot diffusers. Now we have a possibility to connect the diffusers with 90-degree angle moulages or even round connection. What makes our diffuser installation very convenient and beautiful is that all the diffusers become hidden and it can be painted with whichever color of your choice. Our linear diffusers can be painted with the same paint as the ceilings or walls. Now, if you want to achieve a long line without purchasing any additional active diffusers, you can use the extensions. There's a possibility to have 3 types of extensions for Lineo Pro diffusers: 20 centimeters, 50 centimeters, and 105 centimeters. Moulages have the same locking system as Lineo Pro diffusers. Besides the extensions, you can use the corner connections, which also is a moulage.